Longevity, this series, Chapter 2. One of the cornerstones of longevity is maintaining physical health through proper nutrition and proper exercise. A balanced diet rich in whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, provides the essential nutrients needed for optimal functioning. Research has shown that diets like the Mediterranean diet, which emphasizes plant based foods and healthy fats, can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and promote longevity. Additionally, regular physical activity, whether through structured exercise or daily movement, helps maintain a healthy weight, improves cardiovascular health, and enhances overall well being.